In the ever-changing energy field, making sure power reaches everywhere fairly is important. This MAP-OG map analysis aims to find places without necessary energy lines or towers, uncovering potential energy deserts. This analysis focuses on using GIS to identify areas lacking critical energy infrastructure. By cross-referencing settlement and power line data, we unveil locations where energy access may be insufficient. The result is a visually compelling map highlighting potential energy deserts, offering valuable insights for energy planning and development. This analysis proves instrumental in the energy sector, facilitating strategic decision-making. Energy providers and policymakers can use the findings to target underserved areas. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Upload settlement and power line point data into the GIS platform. Click on the Add Upload button. Then choose the Add GIS Data. Here search the country name. And select the settlement data and click on the Add button. Similarly, add the power line point data. Now name the untitled map. And rename the layer for better visualization. Step 2. Style the settlement data. Click on the Style Data button and choose Basic Style. Here select the layer and choose the color. And click on the Save Style button. Step 3. Style the power line point data, employing distinct visuals to differentiate between different types of power lines. Click on the Style Data button and choose the Category Style. Here select the attribute and set the size. And click on the Save Style button. Step 5. Utilize GIS tools for proximity analysis to identify settlement areas without nearby power lines or towers. Click on the Analyze Data button and choose 2 layers. Now select the Finding feature and Selected feature. Then click on the Next button. Here choose the field and option. Click on the Get Result button. You can see the finding result. Visualize the data. Click on the Publish button. Step 6. Create a comprehensive map that visually represents the analysis results, showcasing areas lacking energy infrastructure. Share the map with stakeholders, facilitating collaboration and informed decision-making. Export the map for further analysis or documentation. The analysis reveals specific regions where settlement areas lack proximity to energy power lines or towers. These findings can guide targeted investment and development efforts, ensuring that energy resources are distributed more equitably. In conclusion, the GIS analysis offers a valuable tool for the energy sector, helping to identify and address potential energy deserts. Thanks for watching. For further inquiries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Explore our other products for innovative solutions.